This is a Robe Color Spot 170 AT motorized stage light fixture. It's actually the first time I've had one of these, and even though it's in really rough shape, I'm still going to try restoring this and putting it to use. I've always wanted to mess around with one of these. I don't know what the capabilities are on this specific unit, but it looks like it'd be fun to play with, so I'm going to give it a shot repairing it. It's got a lot of dirt caked in the fans, and looks like it's been through quite a bit, gotten a lot of use. So I think I'm going to start taking the covers off and seeing how the inside looks. Gee, you guys think this lamp might be bad? Doesn't look too healthy to me. Light bulbs don't tend to work very good with a big piece of glass missing out of the side of them. So I wonder if this thing had a cooling failure or something else. This thing looks pretty sweet. I see 4 stepper motors up here for moving the optics around. In the back there's a metal wheel with several different color filters on it. And in the front is the pattern wheels. I think they call these gobos or something like that. Well, I guess the first thing I got to do is try to get the dust cleaned out of this without damaging the optics. Definitely don't want to use too much air pressure, and in fact a lot of this stuff over here is probably going to have to be cleaned with Q-tips very carefully. The fan's not seized up. Well, let's see how much I can clean this. Well, it's starting to look a little more presentable. You can see the new lamp in the socket there. You never want to touch the glass on these with your bare hands, because the oil on your fingers will cause uneven temperatures, and that can cause the glass to shatter like it was. But this is a Philips Broadway Master Color. It's a weird part number, 150W942 CDM SAT. I found one of these on eBay for like $69, I think. It's not cheap, so hopefully it's not going to blow up. Well, I think I'm at a point where I can power this thing up briefly, make sure there's nothing major wrong with it before I carry on with the restoration. The cooling system looks like it's self-contained enough that it doesn't depend on the top cover for directing airflow, so that should be safe. But here goes nothing. I don't know if it's going to ignite the lamp or if it's going to blow up. I have no idea. The lamp is coming on. That's a good sign. It's gradually warming up and getting brighter. Got good airflow. Now I gotta read the manual on this thing so I can figure out how to program the doggone thing. So right now it ain't doing very much. I got no light coming through the lens yet. I'm gonna put the top cover on just in case it's necessary for airflow. At least I know the lamp supply is working, so that's a good thing. Also going to make sure not to bump this thing until the lamp cools off. I'm going to try out a DMX controller because I'm too lazy to mess with the control panel other than setting the address and other basic crap. I got this thing and I hope it's going to do the job. Let's get all this out of the box and get it wired in. Alright, got this thing all set up. I got a good deal on this because it was actually like an open box item. Picked it up off eBay. I have no idea how to use it yet. I have to read the manuals for all this stuff, but right now I just want to turn things on and see what happens. I just have to program this doggone thing. Address 1. Alright. There we go. Just had to turn on fixture number 1. Yeah. Trying to figure out how to get some picture here, or some weird. Wonder why the shutter's closed and there's still no light coming through. Beats me. Manual reading time. Now we're getting somewhere. Definitely have to program all this and get it set up, and eventually I'm going to get this hooked into my sound system. Use it in there. So many things to learn. Strobing effects and all kinds of crazy crap. But I'll definitely be doing a follow-up on this once I get everything set up and integrated. Kind of wish I had enough money to get a bigger controller so that I could spread out all 16 channels, you know, because it's kind of hard to keep switching the channel bank back and forth. But whatever works, I guess. This thing is trippy. Ah, where are my eyes? Oh man. Another thing I'd like to get going are these blacklight LED sticks, but this one's kind of whacked out and doing just random things with the display. Starting to get better the more it warms up. Well, I think I might have just took a dump. Let me try the other one. I want to see if I can get one of these to work. This one's not faring much better. Come on, start. Yikes. I think these need to be recapped or something. They're both crazy. I'll check them out more in a little bit. Glitchy much? Oh, after they run for a few minutes, they start to work. They probably just need some caps. I got them set to the first two addresses on the DMX console there. Black lights are so sweet. The camera doesn't really pick it up all that great, but certain things. Wow, look at the oh, that's not any fun. The camera doesn't pick it up. There's certain things on my tool rack that are lighting up like really, really bright. But the camera just picks it up as kind of white light. That's no fun. These are 16 watt blacklight LED fixtures. So, hoping to get those fixed up and add those to my little DMX rig. I've still got those two PAR cans, also those LED fixtures I had a video of some time ago. And once I get those done, I'll have 5 fixtures all together. You know, this moving head, 2 black lights, 2 PARs, and I also have a fog machine over there in the corner I'd like to get up and running eventually. But yeah, I'm kind of regretting not getting a bigger control console, but this will have to do for now. Anyway, I got some computer stuff I want to get done, so I'm going to get this wrapped up for now. Hopefully sometime in the near future I'll get all the stuff connected together and have time to program it and do a little light show for you guys.